Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming firmware and app versions because compatibility matters. Plug the DeepClean Air into power and run an Ethernet cable to your router WAN port. Once done, open the Deeper app. You'll create or sign into your Deeper account and follow the device discovery prompt. Make sure to accept local network permissions. This initial link establishes control plane access so the device can fetch configs and start its handshake with the Deeper network. You now choose the right network mode: router for full routing, bridge to keep your existing router, or access point for Wi-Fi only. Once selected, dive into settings to enable DNS protection, ad blocking, and any port forwarding you require. Make sure to set up the Wi-Fi SSID and a strong password if using wireless. Apply changes and monitor the device status LEDs. A steady connection light means the device successfully negotiated WAN and Deeper network tunnels and is ready. You finish by validating the connection. Visit region-restricted sites or run a speed test to confirm routing and performance. If tunnels fail, reboot the DeepClean Air, recheck Ethernet and power, and ensure your router hasn't blocked device management ports. Once done, retry the handshake. If problems persist, a factory reset and reprovision through the app will clear configuration issues. One key troubleshooting tip: when in doubt, capture the device log in the app.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.